In the previous video, we understood the circle command in AutoCAD 2027. We learned how to create circle using center point, radius, and diameter. Now, in this video, we'll understand arc command. An arc is basically a part of the circle. So, instead of creating four circles, the arc command helps us to create only curve option. We may use arc for door swing and floor plans, curved balls, round shapes, mechanical parts, furniture details, symbols, and many other curved objects. Hi, I'm Dipan and welcome back to Cadelyx. AutoCAD 2027 made simple. Let's understand the arc command in a simple way. The arc command is used to draw a curved line in AutoCAD. Circle is a full round shape, but an arc is only part of that round shape. For example, when we show the door opening in a floor plan, we usually use an arc to show the direction of the door. That arc is not full circle. It is only curved portion. So the simple way to remember this is, circle creates a full round shape, arc creates only part of the circle. There is two common ways to start an arc command. First way is from ribbon. Go to the Home tab, then look at the draw panel. Here you will see Arc tool. Click on the Arc tool. Now look at the command line. AutoCAD will ask you to specify the first point or a starting point. This means AutoCAD wants to know where the arc should start. So click the first point in the drawing area. After that, AutoCAD will ask you another point to control an arc. Then it will ask you to end the point. Once you click the final point, AutoCAD will create an arc. The second way to start the arc command by using typing. Go to the command line, type A, and press enter. This starts the arc command. So remember, A is the shortcut for the arc, just like L is for the line, PL is for polyline, and C for circle. A is for arc. This is the fastest way to start command once you become comfortable with AutoCAD. Now let's draw a simple arc. Type A and press enter. AutoCAD asks you to start the first point. Click anywhere in the drawing area. Now, AutoCAD asks you to second point. This second point helps to control the curve of the arc. Move your cursor and click another point. Now, AutoCAD will ask for the end point. Move your cursor again and click the final point. AutoCAD creates an arc using those 3 points. So the easiest beginner method is click the start point, click the second point to the control curve, then click the end point. That's it. The second point is very important in arc command. It controls how arc bends. If you place the second point higher, the arc curves upwards. If you place the second point slower, the arc curves downwards. So while drawing an arc, don't click too fast. Move your cursor slowly and watch the preview. AutoCAD shows you how the arc will look before you place the final point. The preview helps us to control the shape of the arc. Sometimes beginners get confused because the arc curve in a different direction than they expected. That usually happens because where the points are selected. The options start point and the second point and the end point controls the arc shape and the direction. So if the arc does not look right, don't worry. Press escape, start command again, and pick the point in a better position. With a little practice, you'll understand how the arc follows the points you selected. When open Arc tool from the ribbon, you may see different arc options. For example, you may see options like 3-point, start, center, end, start center, angle start, center length, and more. Don't worry about all of this right now. As a beginner, the easiest method is 3-point arc method. That means you create the arc using 3 points, start a point, and second point, and an end point. Later, when we need to control, we'll explore other arc methods. For now, focus on understanding how basic arc works. Arcs are used in many types of AutoCAD drawings. In architectural drawing, arcs are often used to show the door openings, curved walls, and rounded design elements. In mechanical drawings, arcs are used for rounded angles, holes, slots, and curved paths. In furniture or interior drawing, arc can be used for the curved tables, counters, symbols, or decorative shapes. So even though the arc command looks simple, it is very useful in real drawings. Just like other AutoCAD commands, arc should also create it carefully. If you are just practicing, you can click points free. But in the real drawings, arcs usually needed a proper measurements, correct options, and accurate connections to other objects. Later, when we learn object snap, trim, offset, and other modifying tools, arc will become easiest tool to control in adding. For now, just understand the basic idea. An arc is a curved line created between points. One common beginner mistake is thinking the arc commands more exactly like a circle command, but they are different. With a circle, AutoCAD usually asks to center point, radius, or a diameter. With arc, AutoCAD usually asks for the points that control curve. Another common mistake is clicking random points too quickly. If you click too fast, the arc may bend in a direction you did not expect. So take your time, watch the preview, and always look at the command line. AutoCAD tells the points it's asking for. So let's quickly summarize the arc command. The arc command is used to draw a curved line in AutoCAD. An arc is like a part of circle. You can start arc command from the home tab inside the draw panel. You may also type A and press enter. The easiest beginner method is the 3-point arc. You can click the start point, second point, and end point. The second point controls how the arc works. And as always, watch the command line so you know what AutoCAD is asking for. Before we move into the next video, do the small practice. Open a new drawing in AutoCAD. Type A and press enter. Click the first point in the drawing area. Move your cursor upward and click second point. Now, move your cursor to the right and click the end point. You just create a simple arc. Now try it again. This time, place the second point lower and see how the curve changes. Do this a few times so you understand how the second point controls the shape of the arc. You don't need to make perfect drawing right now. Just practice, create arc, and watch the preview. So this was the arc command in AutoCAD 2027. As a beginner, just remember that arc is curved part of the circle, and easiest way to create it is by using 3 points: start point, second point, and end point. Practice it few times because arc used in floor plans, door swings, mechanical drawings, symbols, and many curved shapes. In the next video, we'll understand the rectangle command. The rectangle command helps us to create rectangle shapes quickly and is very helpful for rooms, tables, windows, boxes, boundaries, and many basic drawing objects. So, in the next lesson, we'll continue drawing our basic drawing skills with the rectangle command. I'll see you in the next lesson.